Don't fall down.
Oh my.
Wow, that's kind of cool.
Don't fall.
James, what's over here? James, what is that?
Fall down in that mud water.
James.
Ew, what's that?
James.
Well, Grandpa, looks like you're gonna have a good fishing buddy. You don't mind the water.
Give me, Dad. Oh, neat. The water's fine. But the kitty won't go in the water.
Oh, back I go.
He's just so fast about it. Hi, sweetie. James, look at me. I'll put this one on Facebook so your mom can see it.
His hands are all wet.